Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Hi there, and I hope you guys must be enjoying the list of biases. I have mastered and learned all these biases by reading many academic journals and reading many books. Anyhow, the fourth bias that I'm going to discuss with you guys is self-serving bias. Now, what is a self-serving bias? It is the timeless war between your luck and your skill. No, whenever we fail in something, we will always blame the luck, and whenever we will win something, we will score, we will ace in a game, we will start ranting, and we will keep on praising our skill, that it was all because of skill. Okay, so whenever we win, we always try to take the credit and acknowledge our skill, and whenever we lose, we always blame the luck. Accept it, we are make like that, we are all human. I'm also like that. No, whenever you will challenge this self-serving bias of human, they will get attracted to you. Now, this is not what they are accustomed to hear. Actually, self-serving bias is an extremely strong bias of every loser. Now, keep this thing in your mind that the default setting of your readers is a loser, and you are going to make them a hero. Now, if you want to educate those guys, focus on the self-serving bias, that you cannot succeed by only relying on your luck. To enhance your skill, you will have to get enrolled into my course. To enhance your skills and your efficiency, you will have to use our product. You cannot rely on your luck. Challenge this mindset, and they will read your entire copy. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.